Alright, good morning everyone. This is Ruben here again on the A&P channel once again, guys. I'm actually using a tripod right now. It's not a tripod, but more for my phone because we still don't have a camera. I mean, we do have one. I just gotta figure out what editing program I have to use right now. And it is a bit sunny, but also weather's a little bit bipolar. As you guys can tell, it's all dark. From that side is dark. Oh, give me a second. There you go. From that side is dark. This side is bright as shit. But we are gonna work on the Integra right now. I did receive some package today. As you can tell, if you guys checked out the Instagram, make sure you guys go follow us on Instagram. The Instagram page is gonna be right here. That's all the social media we have so far. We are gonna create Twitter for the A&P channel. And also, guys, if you guys wanna go follow me, it's gonna be right here on Instagram. Everyone's gonna follow me on Twitter and Snapchat. It's all gonna be in the screen right now. But we're gonna get this package now. Working on Integra. Working on the Integras. Yep. What do you guys see here? Magic Racing. You know what? Let me take it out. This thing is hella light. So you guys don't know what it is yet. I do, since I opened it earlier today. Once I got it, I was so excited. Funny thing is, let me put this on here. Alright. So I would either take it like that. Alright. Funny thing is, I was not supposed to receive this package today, and this package was actually free. There's 3 things that come within this package. Well, actually, this is the first thing. So we're just gonna check it out. Open it up right now since it's already open. We're just gonna check it out. I'm gonna put the camera right over. I don't know. Would have been helpful. The homies are asleep right now. They are asleep. I'm the only one awake. Lazy ass food. All right. So I don't know if you guys can tell what's in here, but that is the front bumper for the JDM front of this Integra here, guys. Look at this. Front bumper's gonna go right under there. Pretty cool, right? I'm actually excited for this package. I've been waiting for one of these to come in so I can add in something else for the front end, which that's gonna come further in the future. But if you guys are excited, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. All right, we're gonna get this out. Looks like we got more goodies in there. Pretty cool. Who just came through right now? I don't know. All right. Okay, so they gave us a sticker. Just freaking get it. It's gonna go in the car for sure. So this is Magic Drift. Let's check this out, guys. We're gonna put this down. Hopefully it doesn't fly. Alright, so it's magicdrift.com. The polyurethane. I think it's supposed to say polyurethane. Polyurethane. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not too perfect on my freaking English. Auto accessory specialist. 100% customer satisfaction guaranteed. You already know. So he wants me to give him 5 stars. I'm gonna give you 5 stars because he gave me the package early. It was actually supposed to arrive March 5th, and it's actually March 2nd today, so it's Tuesday. If this part is painted or had been modified, drilled, or cut, sanded, no return exchange. Prefit the prior to the part. So I don't know what this means. But yeah, this is basically like a manual. I just whistled. But yeah, that's pretty dope. I like the sticker. I'm gonna put it in here because I don't want this shit to fly. There we go. And about to. It's a lot of wind over here in Cali. Alright. Oh, he also gave me this. I'm actually gonna put this on, even though I'm not a big fan of these, but I like the colors. That's actually gonna go on the Teggy. But yeah, guys, I am gonna put this on to oh, we got the homie Dustin. I already woke up, bro. What's up, homie? Yeah, he just woke up, guys, wearing the A&P shirt. You guys already know. Let me fit the camera. I'm not too. This is a little bit awkward, but this is Dustin right here, guys.
Dustin?
Nah, I'm just playing Justin. But yeah, we got a bunch of goodies, bro. This came in, look. We got this, got the front bumper, and then, yeah, they also give us this. Look at this. There's the decal right there. And then a bunch of information.
What is it, extra team?
It's a drifting company.
Yeah.
That's dope. I'm flip the camera. Alright, but yeah, guys, we're gonna be installing this today. You know, we both work, it's funny, we both work at the same job, which is a shoe store. We both, he goes in at 2, I go in at 5. I think I go in at 5, I don't even know. But yeah, guys, we're gonna do this right now. we're actually gonna add everything today, so it shouldn't be it should be pretty easy. The thing's probably a direct fitment. It was vehicle specific, so it's pretty good. But yeah, guys, hopefully my hair is messed up because I woke up as well, so they don't want to do it. But AMP shirts, you guys already know. Wish we can give it to you guys, but it's only for AMP crew members and leaders. But we are gonna make more designs, you guys. I'm gonna just give you guys a little bit of information. We are gonna make more designs in the future. I'm just saying that right now. But yeah, we're gonna work this thing out. All right, so we're gonna take this bad boy out. All right, help me out, Justin, real quick. Put this shit. Put this in the front. See how it look. How does it go? Is it?
Clay goes. Go ahead.
Yeah. How does it go though? Yeah. The shit open. The Subi parts. We got the homie Steelo Rivers. Go follow him on Instagram right here. That is his Subi right there. And then go follow Justin right here. His Instagram's gonna be right there in the screen. They come with the. Oh yeah, it says it came out with all the materials you need. Which is dope. All right, we're gonna put this right here into the car. So it just rained. So don't blame me why the. Well, actually, why does it have marks like that?
Were you parked under a tree or something?
No. What the fuck is this? They look like dog prints, don't they? Or no?
Yeah, like cat prints or something.
Bro, I think it was a neighbor's cat. I swear, if she scratches the car, bro, I'm gonna be so pissed. Look, it does look in the screen right here. Look, it looks like either dog prints or cat prints. I'm not too sure. My dogs were locked on the other side, so they won't step on the car, but I don't know. If you guys remember that video when I cleaned the headlights, make sure you guys go drop a like on that video. Really appreciate it. Oh shit, bro, that shit looks clean. Does it go like that? Oh yeah, it does go like that, doesn't it? It's gonna go something like. So it goes something like that, right? I'm holding it from here. Look at that, guys. I'm gonna leave it. So it looks something like that, guys. Yeah, it looks pretty clean, bro. Yeah, guys, this shit looks clean. Of course, it's like hanging because it's not on yet. But this shit looks clean. Imagine this on the bumper. Look at that, bro. Damn.
That's hard.
That shit look hard. H-O-R-D. Hard. Alright, gonna take this out real quick. But yeah, guys, I think that's all within the box that came through. We have something else in here. Oh. The one is to write us a note. This is dope. But yeah, guys, shout out to Magic Drift for the front lip. Fucking dope. Go follow their Facebook if you guys have any Facebook stuff, And this is the website, magicdrift.com. You guys want to check them out. A lot of drift stuff for you guys, drift builds out there. But yeah, we're gonna get right into this right now. Well, I'm back from dropping off Justin. Also want to go pick up 3M double-sided tape for the car. Did I lock myself up? Okay. It really stinks out here like smoke. I don't think it's from my car. I think it's from somewhere around the area right now, but fucking stinks. Hopefully it's not my car. Fuck, I'll cry. Alright, so we're gonna take out the box here. I got all the tools I need. Move. Where's Chloe? Chloe. Shit. There we go. Alright, we're gonna take this out real quick. Alright, hold up, guys. My bad. Alright, we got it out the box. When I was gonna go drop off Justin, I accidentally went a little bit too hard going up the little driveway for where I work, and I kind of hit the car a little bit too hard on the bottom. Kind of ticked me off because it hurts me. Chloe, you're on the box. Get off. Yeah, we got Steelo inside the house right now. He's gonna help us out. He's playing Fortnite right now. You guys don't know that game, Fortnite. That thing is fucking beast. Play with all the crew, play with the squad. We always be playing that game. Dropping dubs, you already know. Alright, so I'm gonna try to find a way how I could position the camera so you guys could look at how I'm installing this thing. And yeah, we're gonna work from there. Dominic, you can record. It's already recording.
For sure.
Alright then. No, I'm playing. But yeah, guys, we just got the bumper on about from Stilo right there. You guys wanna go follow him?
Stilo Ridge.
It's gonna be on the screen right there. Go follow him, guys. But we got the lip on for the front bumper. We still gotta put a couple screws in the bottom here, and yeah, it should be good. Probably in the future we're gonna change the washers and the screws, so it's gonna be good.
It looks clean. Slowly but surely, man, it's coming together. See the shirt right there? Clean. I'm about to get mine soon.
Oh, yeah. Whole crew's getting one, man. Whole crew.
Your dog was dumb.
We waiting on this car. We doing projects on this car, but guess what though? It's your boy Rico. We waiting on mine to get done. Mine is coming soon. Thank you very much. And I know you see the Stilo car in the back, right? I know you see Stilo car in the back. I know you see it. It's Subaru. I know you got it all day. Back on my face though, you feel me? I know my hair fucked up. I'm finna go get messed up, but I'm finna go get a haircut soon. Come, get clean. You know I'm gonna get my shirt. You already know the deal. We got it. Oh, look, he got it. We good. We found it. He found it.
Yeah, I found it, man. I know my car isn't a drift car, but it's part of the front lip, so.
Exactly.
I got a prep, you know, from the extra horsepower.
See that right there? All right, now let's close up on this.
I mean, you already see mine, but I think it looks better in the front. Unless you want to do like that old school, like slams it in the back type thing, you know?
Where's your thing?
What?
Oh, you talking about that?
You think it like a... You want to put it in
Hey, honestly, for my car, I was waiting until you guys got like the same stickers for the windows. On top, I was gonna put...
You talking about that big banner?
Yeah, the banner, I was gonna put the ant banner on top of my car. And then I was gonna put my name, Rico, right there on the bottom. Cause you know, Rico's on everything I own.
Right? Have you seen like... Oh, okay.
Look at the professionalism.
That's 20 horsepower, bro.
So,
Let's go.
Let's get it.
What's our Chloe?
Hey, Stilo Riz. Where'd you learn how to become so professional? How'd you learn how to do detail work like that?
YouTube.
YouTube teaches everything, don't it? It's your boy Rico.
You never know. All right, go follow him on Instagram right here in the screen. Make sure you guys go help give a follow to Stilo right here, guys. He did most of the work here.
Stilo Ridge. We
This
got
is Stilo right here.
feature wide body build coming out soon.
Yeah.
About
Fucking
2
sweet.
months. Wait on it.
Wait on it, guys. Wait on it. So we're done putting the lip on my Integra right there. And right now I just gotta go to work. You know, I gotta go home, go get ready for work, and that's about it. Hell yeah. All right, guys. So also want to give a big shout out to Magic Drift right here. I just put the box right here. I want to give a big shout out to Magic Drift. Go check them out, guys. Go order if you guys have any. I mean, I think they do multiple front lifts for like mostly drifting, as you guys can tell by the company. But it looks really clean on my car. I'm gonna do one shot more again. Look at that, guys. It makes it look a little bit more meaner. Before it's a little happy Integra, but now it's a little bit meaner. I still gotta like use the heat gun so I can compress with the bumper. But as of right now, everything is looking freaking clean. Small progress, guys. Small progress, and more packages to come. So if you guys enjoy the video, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. You know, you got boy Steve right there. I'm really excited for my build here, and right now I'm just gonna end the video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys subscribe if you guys haven't already. Leave a like, leave a comment below. What do you guys think about this video on this front lip right here? And I'll talk to you guys later.